What's the meaning of argumentation? Argumentation. Argumentation.
Argumentation. Argumentation. Argumentation refers to the act of presenting and defending a position or viewpoint through the use of logical reasoning and evidence. It involves constructing a persuasive argument in order to convince an audience of the validity of one's claims. The result of effective argumentation may include winning a debate or convincing others to adopt a particular perspective or take a specific course of action. Argumentation is often used in legal settings, academic discourse, and public speaking, among other contexts where convincing others is important.